So kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit ganito ang suot ko, wala lang. Annyeonghaseyo 여러분, it's me Mark Montemayor and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So hello again guys, we are here again and again to study basic Korean language in a simple way. I know that there are some people who is having a hard time studying Korean and also experienced that one before. And the reason why is sometimes the time management, laziness, and of course the language itself. If you really want to learn this language, I know you can do it. You will surpass all that hard time that you are experiencing right now. So, without further ado, let's proceed. Okay, so for today's video, we will be having a part 2 of basic Korean phrases, and if you haven't yet watched the part 1, it's in the description box. Of course, in this part, not only basic Korean phrases, but also basic Korean words that we usually use in our daily lives. So now, let's start this video.
어디서 왔어요? 어디서 왔어요? 한 분 더, 한 분 더. 자고 싶다, 자고 싶다. 잠이 안 와, 잠이 안 와. 저기요, 저기요. 친구 하실래요? 친구 하실래요? 몇 살이에요? 몇 살이에요? 혹시 맛있다, 맛있다. 도와주세요, 도와주세요. 몰라, 몰라. 알았어, 알았어. 괜찮아요, 괜찮아요. 네, 네. 아니요, 아니요. 됐어, 됐어. 미안해, 미안해. 맞아, 맞아. 왜요, 왜요? 아마도, 아마도.
So that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Also, sorry guys if I am not that good in Korean pronunciation, but I am working for it right now. I know that some of the phrases and words are familiar to you guys, especially when you're watching Korean dramas, Korean movies, Korean shows, or whatever Korean related is. And some of it may be heard by someone before, right? So that's all guys, thank you for watching and until next time. 안녕히 가세요.